This is the Skytech gaming shadow with the Ryzen 5 5600 and the RX 6600 with 8GB of VRAM. Is this the pre-built gaming PC for you? Well, watch this video before you buy it because I might just convince you. Now, I'll be very honest with you. These specs sound rather mid-range, right? Well, it kind of is, especially when you realize that the RX 6600 only has 8GB of VRAM. Now, don't get me wrong, it's gonna be great for 1080p gaming, let's extend that maybe to even 1440p gaming, but don't expect to play games at the highest graphics settings possible with it. The Ryzen 5 5600 processor, on the other hand, it's a pretty performant CPU, but it doesn't have a whole lot going for it. Still, it's a very solid CPU, but you want to know how it actually performs, so we'll just jump right into it. Starting with CS2. At 1080p with the highest settings, we get an FPS count that wildly fluctuates from 150 to as much as 200 frames per second. With Cyberpunk at 1080p with high settings and ray tracing and upscaling off, we get an average FPS of around the mid-50s, totally playable, especially with upscaling off. And what about GTA 5 Enhanced? At ultra settings, ray tracing off, and FSR set to native AA, GTA 5 runs at a smooth 70 to 80 frames per second, but it might drop a little to 60 frames per second. That said, it's still very playable, totally playable considering the graphical enhancements that come with it. Now, this pre-built PC comes with just 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. Now, in my humble opinion, I think 16GB of RAM should be just fine. You know, I think it's just fine, it's pretty standard, but I'd highly recommend pushing that up to 32GB because who doesn't want that much RAM? Storage-wise, you should be good with 1TB, especially if you're only going to play a few games from time to time. But you know, maybe you should still upgrade anyway. Now, this PC costs about $850. Do I think it's a great gaming PC for that price? I mean, sure, the convenience is there, it's nice to have it shipped to you ready to be used without needing to build it and all that. But for the performance you get, is it worth it? Well, hell yeah, I personally think so. Upgrade the 16GB of RAM to 32GB and maybe add more storage space, and I think you have yourself a gaming rig that'll last you a few more years. Or, you know, at least depending on the games you play. So, what do you think of this PC? Leave a comment down below, and if you're interested in it, you can click on the link in the description below or scan this QR code. It's Tom, I hope you're doing well, and I wish you an awesome day, as always. Thanks for watching. Toodles.